All right, legends, how's everyone doing? Hopefully you can hear me nicely. Let's analyze the situation right away to get some plans ready during the weekend for Monday. Smash up the like button. Not much people joining. It's going to be a chilled one, guys, but feel privileged because we're going to talk about some levels and some possible plans. I want to go through the S&P 500 right away and explain how it can be on the verge of a major collapse, guys. Let me know if you can hear me, if you can see me, and let's dive in, say hello to the community, guys. But overall, let's go first through the S&P 500. S&P 500 has hit the 0.88 Fibonacci retracement from its all-time high, from the pivot high here to the pivot low. It has hit the 0.88 Fibonacci here, as you can see right there, and it was testing a crucial lower high. So we've got several lower highs here on the S&P 500, and this one right over here was tested just a couple of points above that level and then got that huge big major rejection. Question is right now, is the S&P 500 ready for a huge major drop in the next coming days, right? By next week, are we going to start collapsing? It does look like that we are forming a little bit of a head and shoulder scenario right there, with the neckline here being at 4,370. It does look a little bit choppy, a little bit exhaustive, and it could be correcting down here. If this were to be the case, I would expect a severe drop in the next 1 to 2 weeks, okay, on the S&P 500. A major correction that will likely drag the price of Bitcoin to lower levels. Of course, we're going to have to see how it opens. Of course, this could open very bullish. It could have another test here from the high. And if that were to be the case, we're going to have to see that massive rejection from that level. If we start rejecting here from this high of 4,630 points, that will be the moment, okay, that this will likely be a huge, massive double top here created here the last few weeks. And then we're looking for that corrective move. If it breaks out successfully, then I would easily say that, yeah, a new all-time high is coming for the stock market. I think that is not going to be the case, guys. I think the stock market will probably not manage to do a new all-time high. It's very difficult to, to actually see if it is going to create an all-time high. I mean, the reason why is next year it's an election year, and I think they're going to do whatever it takes by the end of the year in 2024 to keep the stock market S&P 500 afloat. So yes, corrective moves, I do think that they're going to happen, but overall, there is a gut feeling that they are going to try and maintain the stock market afloat, as next year's an election year. And yeah, maybe the recession, depression, or whatever is going to be postponed another couple of years, right? We're kicking the can down the road. So we've been kicking the can down the road now for, I would say, decades, right? But for years and years, a lot of people been predicting recession 2017, 2018, 2020. I mean, we had C19, but we fixed it very, very fast with free money for everybody. So it wasn't really a proper recession. Anyway, let's dive in here, say hello to the community. I think we're just going to keep this a 5-10 minute live stream, guys. Just wanted to explain here a little bit of the S&P 500. It does look like that we could be forming kind of a right shoulder formation here. So it does look kind of bearish, right? We do have that clear neckline here exactly at 4,360 points, which if we do break, I would obviously expect, the stock market to get a pretty decent corrective move. All depends on next week, Monday, see how we open, see how the price, of the stock market is going to be, S&P 500. We could be opening with a gap here to the upside and going to higher levels. DXY is just choppy. I would not say that this is a huge, massive, successful breakout from the crucial pivot point, guys. I mean, it is a bit of a breakout, but I want to see huge candlesticks, just like these major drops, right? This is a crucial pivot point right there, and we cannot get choppy action above this level, because it could fail. I want to see large candlesticks like the ones here that we've had, to the upside, to the downside. I want a really significant breakout from this major zone on the DXY. That is currently not happening. It's just a bit choppy. So yeah, not convincing here anyway. Let's take a look here at the comment section and talk about Bitcoin here. Major levels. It's going to be a little bit boring, guys. The weekend, it's been boring between yesterday and today. You know, even the YouTube is boring right now. You know, there's not even 100 people watching the stream, so we're just going to keep it nice, short, and sweet. Like I said, nothing much has changed from yesterday to today. We've just been going sideways. It's something, you know, internally, I think there could be a little bit of few scalp scenarios, but, you know, the most important levels for me are these higher lows exactly at $25,600. That is the value area low of this trading range. So, you know, it's definitely worth to put some alerts at that zone and trade it from the phone, you know. Trading from the phone is not recommended. You know, I only trade on the phone if I get an alert. I'm not watching the charts on the phone while I'm somewhere, you know, wherever I am. You know, if I do get an alert, then I'll stick, you know, 5 minutes on the chart to see what is going on, because I have very much done the analysis at home with a computer. So, but yeah, doing chart analysis on the phone is just not, it's not happening, right? I only trade if I do get the alert from my analysis that I made in the morning. So basically, I like this level, guys, the 25,600. You know, there's two higher lows right there from the last few days, 25,600 range, and it's the value area low of this entire trading range. So it's an important zone that we need to take into consideration. That, you know, hey, maybe we're going to have another attempt. We're going to have another bounce. People have been calling for $24,000, $23,000 for over a week right now. They missed out big time on these longing opportunities. People did not get into longs here or longs here because they were scared. They were talking about much lower levels and they did not long the market. We did long the market here in the Legends community. We did get here this massive wick and this recognition of, hey, this is not going to go down today or tomorrow likely, and we're going to get a bounce. So we're longing this, guys, and this could still happen in the coming days. So I'm just getting you ready as a trader. Yes, we are bearish, guys. I'm also bearish. I do think that 23, even 22, maybe 20K is going to come, or $19,000 Bitcoin in the next coming weeks and months. But I am a trader. I trade the market. I'm going to scratch some dollars to even accumulate more Bitcoin for the next coming months. So this is what we want to do. If we do hit this level right over here at the value area low, these lows right there, and we do get that wick rejection, just like we have been doing for the last, you know, several days, I am going to get into a long scenario, guys, and I'm going to be very defensive. I need to see that rejection. We need to see that rejection, you and me together, and possibly get into the trade. So that's the only thing. For shorts, I would want higher for shorts. I'm already into that short position, of course, from all the way up here with the Legends community. This is a short position that we were talked about on the 4th of September, so long time. So yeah, basically, if we do get a pump here to the value area high, which is the point of control of the entire range of the last 3 weeks, if we do take a look at VPVR here, it's an interesting level, of course, no doubt. It's a level that I would be willing to possibly, not short, but add to my short position if we do reject from this point. It's funny because this is the 618 zone, just slightly above the value area high of this trading zone. Could hit the 618, get rejected from point of control and value area high. These are my only interest zones for day trading. The low, the value area low, and the value area high from the traded zone of the last 10 days, guys. So inside of here internally, I don't know what the price is going to do. I know we've got a possible rejection point here, a value area low and these lows. And I know we've got a resistance point at point of control. We could have some attempts and breaking above it. If those attempts do fail, we're jumping into the short, or we are adding to our position, guys. Still in that position. I think I'm probably going to close it all. You know, the position has been, you know, it's basically been a day trade, so I'm happy with the profits. Over $500 in profits, you know, in less than 48 hours. You know, time to look for another trade, or I'll be adding to the position, you know. Maybe yes, maybe no. Guys, if you're interested in trading, you got Bybit, $30,000 worth of bonus down below. If you are interested, my #1 crypto trading platform, Bybit. Bitflex for no KYC, $10 of bonus if you just deposit $100. Check it out, guys. There's an insane tutorial down below. And if you want to join the Legends trading community, where we are predicting movements days in advance, such as this short position right over here, and also this long over here. days in advance. It is cool to predict one movement inside of one day, but when you're actually looking at the movements of the market to have a rise up to 26,400 and then get a rise down here from 26,400, which is that short position that I'm in right now, you want to join the Legends, guys. This is a great active community. I'm posting every single day here. Obviously, the biggest trade setups are in between Monday and Friday when there's more volatility. Weekends can get a little bit boring. So if you are ready for improving your trading, you want to join the Legends community, guys. It is down below in the description if you wish. Those daily updates and that education, that mentorship that you are looking for everywhere on YouTube or some private, communities. You got it down below, guys. People actually enjoying very much and understanding how trading really works. Not much more to be said, guys. Levels have been provided here on Bitcoin. S&P 500 looks a little bit bearish for next week. Thank you very much, guys. Smash up the like button on your way out, and I will see you in the next one.